I'm gonna teach you today how to make an absolutely delicious pan pizza. We're going cast iron today, and you see it right here coming out the oven. It looks oh so delicious. You see the caramelization on the side of that pizza, the crust, and then I'm gonna tell you the bottom of it too. It's absolutely crispy. So I'm gonna get you in the game today. We're gonna make an oh so delicious and crispy cast iron pan pizza that you and your family are gonna enjoy and love for years to come. Hey, let's get in the game. Now we're gonna start with a simple and easy pizza sauce recipe. These are the ingredients right here. Check them out in the description below. Hey, we're about to get in the game. So we're gonna start off with some olive oil. And then we're gonna add some minced garlic to infuse some flavor into this olive oil. And we'll let this cook until it becomes fragrant. And when the garlic becomes fragrant, this doesn't take long at all. We're gonna add in our whole peeled tomatoes. And then next we're gonna add in some tomato paste. At this time, I'm gonna use my immersion blender, and then we're gonna get these whole peeled tomatoes right where we want them to be. Now we don't want to overmix this. This is the perfect consistency where we want it to be. And at this point, we can remove this from the heat. To be honest with you, the only step that you really want the heat for is to infuse that garlic flavor. After that, hey, this sauce is really ready to go, other than adding in your herbs and the rest of your ingredients. But if you wanted to go and you wanted to make this sauce a no cook sauce, you can also do that too. Now we're gonna add in some sugar to balance out the acidity. We're gonna add a couple pinches of salt. And then we're gonna add a couple pinches of pepper. And we got some fresh basil that we'll add also. And we'll get everything mixed in. And fam, there you have it. You got some absolutely delicious pizza marinara sauce. You're not gonna use all of it for your pizza, so you can go ahead and you can bottle this up and save it, the rest that you don't use. And then you got pizza sauce or marinara sauce for different types of recipe, or if you want to make some pizza in the near future, hey, you in the game, fam. Now we're going in with our mozzarella cheese. Now you want to use like a low moisture mozzarella cheese, and you have absolutely delicious pizza. Now I'm grating mine. If you want to go with packaged mozzarella, hey, that is fine. Whatever makes it easier for you to get in the game. Hey, let's get in the game. It's your kitchen, your show, your house. We got our dough. It's already proof, and this is fresh pizza dough. Now you can pick up some good pizza dough at a good price, either at Trader Joe's, Walmart, Food Line, if you can find it, and then Whole Foods. Probably Trader Joe's has the best one. Let me know in the comments if you ever use one of them, which one you prefer. Now, what we want to do is we want to grease this cast iron pan really well. Now you can go with either butter or you can go with oil, but I'm team butter today, so we gonna butter this cast iron. And what we want to do is we want to get the bottom nice and coated, and then we also want to get the sides nice and coated too. And this, what this is going to do, is going to create a nice delicious crust on your absolutely delicious cast iron pan pizza. So if you remember the pan pizzas from Domino's with a nice crust on the outside, hey, this is how they achieve it. It's just right here. Now what makes this pizza absolutely easy is if you're not really into shaping your own pizza, hey, the pan does all the work for you. So what you do, just put it in your pan, and then you just gonna stretch it out, and you don't really have to worry about, you know, making it look too pretty, because again, you're gonna follow the outline of the pan, and then you'll be in the game. Now, after you got your pizza crust where you want it, how you want it in your pan, and it's covering the bottom, what we want to do is we want to add our absolutely delicious marinara sauce on this pizza. Now we're gonna top this off with our mozzarella cheese. And it's okay if you get it close to the edges. Hey, that's gonna provide, again, a nice crispy crust. Now what we want to do is we want to add in our meat toppings. I'm going with pepperoni today, and we just gonna line this pan with however many pepperonis that you like. If you want it to be extra on the pepperoni, then do so. If you want light pepperoni, you can also do so. If you want 3 meat, hey, do that. Whatever toppings you like. Again, this is your kitchen. Hey, this is your house, and this is your show. Now we going in our oven 500 degrees, and this should take about 18 minutes. But when it gets nice, crispy, golden brown, hey, you know when to take it out. Right before I add this into the oven, I'm just gonna put a little bit more butter around the edges, like so. All right, our oven is up to 500 degrees. What we want to do is we want to place this on the bottom rack. Let it do its thing. So we're about ready to come out this oven. Now this went for about 17 minutes, and take a look at this right here. Nice. It's perfect, and it looks absolutely delicious, fam. So now we got this out the oven, and now we want to release this pizza on the sides of it. And I got an angled spatula that comes in handy. That I use when I make cheesecakes and stuff like that. And it just gets around these edges nice and cleanly. And then when it's ready to come out, you should be able to release this pizza from the pan. Hey, just like that. Now, if you notice on the sides here, you see the caramelization of this crust with the cheese on the side of it, which makes this a perfect pan pizza. And then all we got to do is slice into this, and we in the game. This pizza is hot, so be careful, fam. I know you hear that crust. Hey, listen to that. That is absolutely amazing, fam. I'm gonna give me a little small slice. Hey, listen to that. Yes, sir. All right, fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious pan pizza. Like I said, it's crispy. Hey, take a look at this bottom right here. This is what you want in a pizza right here. You want to know that your crust is cooked all the way through, and it don't get any simpler than a pan pizza cooked in cast iron. And that's why I like cast iron so much. Hey, it's so versatile, and we in the game, fam. So enough talk. Hey, I gotta give this a taste test, and here we go, fam. Cheers. Yes, sir. Nice and crispy. I'm gonna get a piece of this crust. Now that right there, when I tell you, hey, the cheese on that, that's nice and crispy, man. I'm almost speechless. That's good. That's absolutely delicious. If you never had that crispy cheese on the side of that pizza, let me tell you, that's where it's at right there. Hey, we in the game, family. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me take the time out and say thank you so much for stopping by. Now, on your way out, don't forget to smash that like button. If you like recipes like this, smash that subscribe button, turn on that bell so you get the notifications as well. Now, for my Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, hey, I got to get back in the game. The coach called some plays, and I'm going to smash into this cast iron crispy pan pizza. And we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Hey, we're in the game.